The moon has always fascinated us with its beauty and mystery. But did you know it controls our tides and might one day become humanity's second home? In this video, we'll explore 10 incredible facts about the moon that you've probably never heard of. Stay tuned until the end, because fact number 10 could change the way you think about space forever. 1. The moon's size and composition. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite and is about 3,474 kilometers in diameter, roughly one-fourth the size of Earth. It's covered in a layer of dust and rocks, known as regolith, making its surface unique and barren. 2. The far side of the moon. Have you ever noticed we only see one side of the moon? That's because the moon's rotation is synchronized with its orbit around Earth, a phenomenon known as tidal locking. The mysterious far side remains hidden from view, making it an intriguing subject for scientists. 3. Gravity on the moon. The moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's. This means you would weigh much less on the moon and could jump 6 times higher than you can on Earth. Astronauts on the moon often experience this lighter-than-air sensation. The moon's lack of atmosphere. Unlike Earth, the moon doesn't have an atmosphere. This means no weather, no wind, and no sound. The surface remains silent and unchanging, with footprints from the Apollo missions still perfectly preserved. 5. Temperatures on the moon. The moon experiences extreme temperatures. During the day, the surface can reach a scorching 127 degrees Celsius, while at night it plunges to a freezing 173 degrees Celsius below zero. Such conditions make life on the moon a significant challenge. 6. The moon controls Earth's tides. The moon's gravitational pull directly impacts the tides on Earth. High tides and low tides are a result of this invisible yet powerful connection between the moon and our planet. 7. Human exploration. In 1969, Neil Armstrong made history by becoming the first person to set foot on the moon during NASA's Apollo 11 mission. His iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," continue to inspire millions. 8. Water on the moon. Scientists have discovered traces of water on the moon, hidden in permanently shadowed craters near its poles. This discovery opens up exciting possibilities for future lunar missions and settlements. 9. The moon's origin story. The moon is believed to have formed about 4.5 billion years ago after a massive collision between Earth and a Mars-sized object. This cataclysmic event created debris that eventually coalesced into the moon we see today. The future of the moon. NASA and other space agencies are planning to establish lunar bases for research and exploration. The moon could serve as a launch pad for missions to Mars and beyond, making it a vital part of humanity's future in space. From shaping Earth's tides to being a potential new frontier for exploration, the moon continues to captivate our imagination. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing content about space and science. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.